Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for coffee lovers who own the Cuisinart DGB-2 coffee maker. We found this product online and have included a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. Let's take a closer look at the Cuisinart DGB-2 CBM replacement Burr mill assembly. This is a genuine OEM part specifically designed for the DGB-2 model only, meaning it ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance for your coffee maker. If you own this model, you know how crucial the Burr mill is for grinding your coffee beans to perfection. One of the standout features of this replacement assembly is its model-specific design. It won't fit any other coffee maker, even if they look somewhat similar. This precision guarantees that you'll maintain the quality of your coffee, which is essential for achieving that rich flavor and aroma every time you brew. As an original equipment manufacturer part, this Burr mill assembly is crafted to the exact specifications set by Cuisinart. This high-quality replacement means you can restore your coffee maker to its original performance, ensuring every cup you brew tastes as good as the last. Now, who is this replacement Burr mill assembly suitable for? Primarily, it's perfect for anyone who owns the Cuisinart DGB-2 coffee maker and has experienced wear and tear on their existing Burr mill. If you've noticed inconsistent grind sizes or a decline in your coffee's flavor, this replacement part might be precisely what you need to bring your machine back to life. In terms of practical use cases, consider this: you might be someone who enjoys experimenting with different coffee beans or brewing methods. Having a reliable Burr mill is crucial for achieving that perfect grind, whether you prefer a coarse grind for French press coffee or a fine grind for espresso. By replacing your old assembly with the DGB-2 CBM, you can enhance your coffee-making experience and enjoy a consistently delicious cup every morning. Installation is another highlight of this product. The assembly is designed for straightforward installation, making it easy for you to replace the existing Burr mill in your DGB-2 model without needing any specialized tools or skills. This means you can get back to enjoying your coffee in no time. So, if you're looking to maintain the quality and performance of your Cuisinart DGB-2 coffee maker, the DGB-2